Cheese.
How's your cake?
That good? There you go. That's how sweet that.
How's your cake? Is it good? Mommy do a good job?
Yeah, see, now well, that's up to his frosting.
Yummy cake. You say yummy?
Yeah, babe.
Not bad. That's right. With your fingers clean.
I'm waiting for her to pick up that whole glob of frosting right there. Battery
A little
time.
sugary, was it?
I don't think somebody will be napping today.
Oh, sorry.
She's like still looking to make sure the cake's still there.